So in this question, we can see that a man and a woman. So here is a man and a woman which are not showing signs of any inherited disease. They are going to have 7 children. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 children. And in the 7 children, we see 2 of them are daughters and 5 of them are sons. After that, they say that among them, 3 of the sons suffer from the disease. 3 of them suffer from the disease. So one thing we are very clearly, sure over here. See, the male is not having any disease, okay, but the female could be the carrier of the disease. Okay, it is not looking like that it has disease. It could be carrier of the disease. Okay, so since it is the carrier of the disease, one thing we know for sure that it is a recessive disease. Now, one thing, if all the male are suffering from this and none of the female, that means it is showing crisscross inheritance. That means it is the X-linked disease. So we can also call it as X-linked or sex-linked recessive. Let's have a look at the options. First option says sex-linked dominant. See, if it was dominant, then the disease would have been in this generation also and this also. In the second option, we can see that this is a sex-linked recessive disease. This looks like the correct option. Third option says autosomal recessive. So in the case of autosomal recessive, we will see that, all the people and no crisscross inheritance would have been seen. But here we can see the crisscross inheritance. That means that there are autosomal recessive and autosomal dominant. So again, it is not a dominant disease because it is skipping a generation, not skipping a generation. So the correct answer to this is your option number